Got a lot of central air conditioners. York's running very hot air coming out of those two Yorks. Cold, not sweaty. Cold, sweaty. Both a thumbs up. Got a newer looking Emerald. 2020, so it's new. It's surprising to see that. Here we go. An Emerald and that York just started up. Not too sure what this is. Maybe like a Weather King. No, it's a rain. Not sure what the date is. A York. See if I can find the one. Already pretty cold.
I saw a wasp back there. So irritated wasp nest.
Nothing going on over here.
No, none of those are on it.
Something just turned off. Sounds like that. Maristar. Okay, that was pretty boring. See what we got down here. We may have some units. Whoa. Ideally, see some units, but transformer. Okay, here we go. We got a good now, it's pretty new. Really quiet one. Cold and super sweaty. Looks really new. Oh yeah, this thing that just got replaced.
That one's brand spanking.
Yep. Another York. Cold and sweat, that's definitely a new carrier. Alright, here we go. Another York runner. There's also a Pain. And let's see how cold. Cold, not sweaty. That one's cold and sweaty. That's a bit cold. Cold and sweaty. Best type of line you can get. Oh yeah?
We went down the Hornady, so we're around our own building with this one and the end of this building.
Alright.
And then that'll probably wrap it up.
So far, not that heavy on the units. A ream or something. Okay, there you guys go. There's a York startup. compressor. Not really cold yet. It's a little tiny. Armstrong. Cold and sweating. Another York. Line's frozen up on that. So that unit is frozen up. Probably why it's not even. Yep. A little cold.
Okay. I don't know if there's any on the end of this building. Well, that'll be the end of it.
See if there are any down here. Hope they are. Hope there are some. Yep, I can hear them. Well, this is a lot of new units. Whoa, what is that? No, it's a Sure Comfort. That's cold. The Frigidaire window unit right there. New York. Ream and a Linux Elite.
That's the end of them. You've seen every one of them.
There's one more down there. There's one more.
We came through before we came down.